Hey guys, welcome back for our Model Rocket Fridays. Sorry I didn't post yesterday for our Random Thursdays, but it is a surprise for Monday, May the 4th be with you. So, and I know I'm kind of late getting this one out too, but I've been busy. So we're repairing a model rocket named Taser. And you guys really seem to like the rocket launches. So I am just going to repair this, and then next Friday, when I release it, we can, we'll do a model rocket launch of this. So you can see the, before to after. Okay, so let's get to this. Okay, so the first thing that I noticed is that all the fins are missing. Gone. Nothing. So, but we don't have any original fins either. So I have myself some sheet balsa here that's thin, and we're gonna measure how long the kind of glue was for the fins, and then we'll design new fins for our fins, and then we'll cut them out of the balsa and glue them on. Okay, so you guys may not be able to see the kind of glue line. It goes up to right there. So let's measure that. Alright. Like 2.5 inches. So, and then I also went ahead and looked at some pictures of this rocket and developed a fin shape. So I already cut one out. And it should fit on nice and snug like that. That is gonna look super cool. I can't wait. Okay, so let me get the other, let's see here, 1, 2, 3 fins cut out. And then I'll glue them on and show you how it looks. Okay, so I've got my 3 fins now. 1, 2, 3. I decided not to glue them on because I actually want to spray paint them black so it kind of blends in. So I will spray paint these and get them drying, and then I'll glue them on. So I think it's just gonna look super cool, especially when it launches off. The only downside about these balsa wood wings is that they are super fragile. I could snap this in half if I wanted to. Let's see here. Do I have a scrap of balsa laying around? Do I have a scrap of balsa? Here's one. Scrap of balsa that I actually used from these. But, snap, like, I barely put any pressure. So, it's gonna be super tough to not break these if it comes in for a bad landing. Okay, let me spray paint this. So I've got my fins here nice and black and everything. Looks so good. I think they look really snazzy against this rocket. Just love it how it looks. So let's glue these on here. Gotta be super careful with this super glue. Alright, let's move this here. Oh, there's a drop. There's a bit. Okay. Ah! Got some extra. Oops. Ah, no, stop. Ah, where did I put this extra super glue? Ah! I don't want to get it on the table or anything. So now let's put this fin on. We are drying. We are drying. You know what, this seems kind of boring for you guys to watch, so I will just fast forward to when all the fins are done. So these fins have finally dried, and it looks pretty cool, doesn't it? I really like how it looks, like these fins. Anyways, next thing we need to address is this stuff sticking out. So let's get this parachute here. Ooh, is it going to come out without breaking? Because there's no body problems at all, which is good. Is the parachute all connected? Ooh, a red one. Still smells like rocket. Looks like all the strings are connected. Looks like one. No? Yeah. It's all connected. It just looks like this rubber band broke. So I think what we should do... There's still baby powder all over this for a lubricant. Like I discussed in our Orion model rocket launch. If you haven't seen that video, go back and watch it. It's got some amazing footage of model rockets launching off. Anyways, I'm gonna take this, just put a dab of super glue. Oh, that's a lot more than a dab. Oopsies. Okay. I got super glue on my finger. I hate super glue on my finger. So we're just gonna put that in there. And it looks like my finger's gonna dry with it. Oh, my finger's stuck in there. Oh, great. Now I got super glue all over my finger. You guys ever had that feeling? That's like the worst feeling in the world. See, because now my... Oh, ow, ow, ooh, ow. Ooh, 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 ow, ow, ow. Oh. Ouch. No, I got a bunch of spray paint up my fingernail. It's still wet. See, now I got a bunch of super glue on my finger. And then, since there's still some stuff in there that would be restricting our... there's still some stuff in there that I'm just going to pull out really quickly. Sorry for bumping the camera there. To, just improve, like, it sliding in better. See? There's still... Oh, I could have just glued this rubber band to that rubber band. Can this still come off? It can. Oh, it broke, but... Now let's get the rest of it out. I know, I'm doing my own work. Kind of classic, huh? Sacrificed my finger for nothing. Come on. Yeah, that can stay. And then let's just, like, tie a knot here. Okay, so let me tie a knot quick, and I'll show you guys. So here's my knot. It's kind of messy, but it's good enough for me. So then, the way that I fold up my parachutes, I kind of take from the top, rumple them into a kind of straight, and I fold them over themselves, and then wrap the string around it to keep it nice and compressed. And I leave a tad bit so I can just push it in. And then this will fit on top. Let's get all that extra rubber band and stuff in there. Come on. And then, ta-da! The Taser model rocket. All fixed. So remember, you guys look forward to that next Taser model rocket launch, and we will launch this off, see how it flies, see if these fins do okay, because I mean, you can't get any fins like identically perfect. So I hope they work and that they don't break, because that would be a lot more work to go through to fix them again, and I don't think you want to see another repair episode on the same rocket doing the same thing. So I mean, I guess I could, it's kind of dirty, so I'll take a wipey and wipe it off and make it all shiny. But yeah, this is the Taser model rocket. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more model rocket repairs, which you guys really seem to like, remember to like, subscribe, and click that bell. Thanks for watching. Bye.